Good afternoon. Welcome to Northern Maine. As you guys can probably see, we get another snapper project here. This one was pretty rough. It's been sitting abandoned in the woods for about probably 20 to 25 years, as near as we could tell. This came from the place that I formerly worked at. Used to be a snapper dealer. It was a place where I actually got familiar with these. She's kind of rough, but amazingly I cleaned all the moss and the debris off in it, and it's actually still solid. The deck is not in bad shape at all. I don't remember what the story was on this when it got parked, but so obviously something major had happened to it. I don't know if it was with the drive system or what, but the motor would still turn over in this thing about a half or 3/4 of a turn. You couldn't get a full revolution, but it was actually still mostly free. So the other night I pulled the cylinder head off of it, and as you can see, it was full of corrosion. And I'll set that down there. As you can see, it had all the carbon had basically fallen down into the bottom of the combustion chamber. The amazing part of that is, let's look at the cylinder wall in that thing. There's almost no corrosion down in that cylinder wall. The valve's still open and closed freely. So I'm going to do the only thing there is left to do, and I'm going to clean that up just a little bit. And I'm going to put the head back on it. We're going to see if this thing will start and run. I've got a carburetor here I can stick on it. I think that would be kind of cool to see if this thing would actually still run. If it does run, I'll go from there. There's a couple of pieces missing off of the chain case underneath. Other than that, it's mostly complete. And I'm pretty sure I could probably make this thing mow some grass again if I wanted to. I do have enough pieces and parts here to reassemble it, so time will tell. I'll be back and we'll see what happens. Well, welcome back. So here it is. This is going to be kind of rude and dirty, trying to make this whole thing run. I got the cylinder head back on it. Did a really crude valve job on it. Cleaned all the corrosion out of the head and off the top of the piston. Don't know if the magnetron works or not. I took the carburetor off my 3081 and stuck it on this thing. I changed the flywheel on it so I could bolt that electric starter on there to start it. I put oil in it, put some gas in it. I'm going to set you guys down here and let's see if this piece of crap will start. Oh, the starter don't work. Cool. Starter did work once. Plug this in and see what happens. Back to the drawing board, I guess. The old magnetron unit must be dead. Be back. Well, there, I changed the magnetron unit. I put another junkyard one on it that I don't know if it's any good. Let's try that and see if that'll start. Maybe this will surprise me. Is that the whole fuel tank's plugged up on the other? It is. Okay. Right back. That's why. That'll make some difference. So again, that's probably the first time in 20 to 25 years since that thing's run. Let's try her now. That's pretty amazing. I can't believe that thing runs. Motor sounds pretty healthy. I got to put the other flywheel back on it though. That flywheel there is off in a synchro balance engine, and that thing is vibrating extremely bad. I don't think this engine that's on this is a synchro balanced engine. And also when I pulled that flywheel off there with a ring gear on it, all the magnets fell out from underneath of it, so that thing is severely out of balance. Other than that, I don't hear any knocking noises from it. I don't know what happened to this machine originally, but apparently it must have been something to do with the chain case underneath, the one that slides back and forth, because the clutch is going off in it for some reason. I don't know what's going on. I noticed the yoke was completely worn out on it too. Maybe the stupid thing quit driving and the guy gave up on it. I don't know. Anyways, that's pretty cool that that runs though. I may put this thing back together. I've got some, I think I got a muffler and stuff in there I could put on this. Well, anyways, I guess that's enough. We resurrected this one too.